Last night, I was mugged. They stole my wallet, my car keys, and a hot dog I was sheltering in my pocket. All of this could have been avoided if I just had something to defend myself with. So today, we're gonna make a taser and shove it into a shitty gaming mouse. Alright, so the first thing I did was go looking for parts. As you can see, I don't have much to work with. But in my box, I found this big, black tube. This is a flyback converter, and it's gonna be the main guts of our taser. Basically, it'll take small voltage and turn it into big voltage, while also reducing amperage. Now I know some of you might not know what voltage and amperage are, so I've come up with a pretty damned good analogy to make sure everyone's on the same page here, okay? Voltage is cocaine, and amperage is horses. Basically, the more cocaine the horses have, the easier it is for them to run around the track, and the more they actually want to run around the track. For our taser, horses need to run through human skin, which is difficult to move through. So the horses need more cocaine to actually push through this resistance. So voltage, or cocaine, is what matters for this project. We want a high voltage so the current can actually push through human skin. We also want to minimize amperage, since even an extremely low amperage is deadly when paired with a high voltage. So we max cocaine and minimize horses. That's the flyback converter's job. It increases voltage and reduces current, which makes for a good, but also potentially lethal, taser. That said, I have no idea how flyback converters actually work, and I bet my ass you don't either. So I decided to do a little bit of research for the both of us, and here's what a generic flyback converter looks like. Okay, now I'm gonna go nice and slow so everyone understands what each component does. Okay? Okay. You get electrons, aka current, going from here to here. This spaghetti wire is wrapped around a ferromagnetic donut, so is this spaghetti wire, except that this one's got more loops than this one. Down here is a switch that opens and closes really fast. When it's closed, current can travel through the small spaghetti wire. When current travels through the small spaghetti wire, it creates an electromagnetic stink field. This stink field is automatically extended to the donut where it is stored. When the switch is opened, the current stops. This causes the electromagnetic field to collapse and the donut to dump all of its energy into the big spaghetti wire. Because my wire here is longer, the magnetic field, just like your mom, is more easily picked up by my big goofy wire. This results in a higher voltage. The voltage is also reversed in the opposite direction of the electromagnetic field. Because it's reversed, eventually, the current can push its way through this one-way door or diode after the voltage builds up enough. Then it pulls into this energy storage or capacitor. The capacitor is basically just here to cover this end of the circuit for when the switch is closed and current can't get here. This cycle repeats every time the switch is opened or closed, and it happens basically instantly. You got all that? Okay, that said again, small voltage goes in, big voltage comes out, and the voltage that comes out of this boy is very large. Now, dealing with high voltage is scary and dangerous, considering my superb skills with electronics. Goofy. You would guess that I am more than comfortable here. And I am. I know more than enough to be safe. For example, most people are scared of touching car batteries. A standard gasoline car battery is 12 volts with a lot of amps. High amps means touching the terminals with anything conductive is dangerous, but your hand is electrically resistant, so you can safely touch each terminal. Anyway, we have the main body of the taser, but we need a few other things to finish it. We need something to turn the taser on and off, we need something to power the taser, and we need something conductive for the taser's stabby bits. For the stabby bits, all I could find was these nails that were out of focus. I don't know what was wrong with them, but they were just kind of blurry, so I threw them back. For the power source, my box provided a disposable 9-volt battery. And sure, I could have been environmentally mindful and used a rechargeable 9-volt battery, but I'm pretty sure the local pond I dump my old batteries at is home to a school of fish who get pretty amped up when they see my batteries coming their way. And I can't let my fishy friends down, so I'm sticking with this. Alright, all I need to do is solder the prongs to these wires, add some electrical tape and glue so everything sticks together, then solder up these connections, red with red, black with green, I guess. Wait. I've forgotten a very important part. We need a way to turn the taser on and off. Now, I don't have any buttons on hand, so I decided to go looking through my box of tech garbage, and I found this old gaming mouse. I'm pretty sure I snagged this mouse off of the 2016 equivalent of Temu, so it fits this project pretty well. Now, I could extract one of these buttons and solder it to these wires, and we would be done. But that's boring. So instead, I took a pocket knife and cut out a socket for the taser in the body of the mouse. And this mouse fought back, and I ended up cutting myself.
Oh, wait, that's deep.
Now, I just do some minor assembly.
There we go, baby.
And I should be able to just click the mouse button to activate the taser.
I guess it's testing time then. I don't know if the button works. Alright, let me just like reach down in there and then like press the button and I guess we'll see. Oh my god, dude! What the fuck, man? That's fucking hilarious. Oh my god.
I fixed the button eventually by haphazardly adding even more electrical tape.
Yes! Yes. Let's fucking go. Okay.
With the button finally working, I decided to do some stress testing. I needed to see how the taser performed on real meat. Happy with these results, I went out on a night walk with my newly made protection. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you.
Tell the camera what we're doing. Tell the camera. Tasing homeless people.